watching Kanshu's Happy Life. Alright guys, so all my greenkeepers must be knowing that how hard it is to pot a plant. So in this video I'm gonna show you that how I will be potting the plant of tuberose. Guys, you all must be knowing tuberose is really an aromatic plant and it is mostly used in bouquets and it is favorite of all. So without any delay guys, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so as you can see here I have taken an earthen pot. The reason why I have chose an earthen pot is that it keeps the soil cool and it helps to retain moisture. Guys, when you take plastic pots, the soil gets easily dried up and the pot tends to break in scorchy sun. So the most preferable pot is an earthen pot. So guys, before potting the plant, the most important thing you need to remember is that the pot should have a hole at the bottom. It will help for a clean drainage. It will help for a proper drainage. Okay guys, so this is really very important because if the drainage is not proper, then the roots may get rotten. So guys, you need to take care of this thing. And the second thing is that you can keep some pieces of the pot at the bottom where there is the drainage system. You can just keep some pieces of this pot so that it will help in better drainage system. Okay guys, so guys, you can wear nitrile coated gloves before potting the plant, but since I'm not having nitrile coated gloves at my home, I have worn these plastic gloves. If you want, you can do potting barehanded. That's completely up to you. It is not exactly mandatory. So now let's start with the potting. Alright, so as you can see here, I'm having red soil. Yes. And to the soil I'll be adding compost and a bit of sand. The reason why I'm adding sand is that it helps to prevent clogging and it helps the roots to get better better air and it helps for better growth. Alright, so now I'll be adding the compost. You can add this in the ratio of 2:1. Like I am adding this in the ratio of 2:1. This much. Okay. I hope this much is enough. And now I'll be adding sand. Sand is optional. It is not mandatory. If you are having it, then well and good. So now I'll mix it properly. Mix this well. So guys, now I'll fill half of the pot with this soil. Okay? So guys, here I have the bulbs of tuberose. As you can see, these are the bulbs and you can get this at any of the nursery. Okay, so now I'll be planting this. Take another one. Guys, please handle them with care. They are really very delicate and sensitive. Alright. So guys, here I am filling the pot with the remaining soil. guys, I'm done with the plantation. Since this is an outdoor plant and it needs 8 to 12 hours of sunlight, so we'll need to add a bit more water to this plant. So I'll be adding 2 mugs of water. I feel this much water is enough. Here I have added 1.5 mug of water. And guys, this was my short and sweet video of lockdown diaries about my first plantation. Alright guys, so since this plant is a newborn baby, I'll be keeping him in the shady area where he gets filtered sunlight for 2 days. And after that, I'll shift him to the area where he'll get a proper amount of sunlight. So guys, I have a really important message for you. As you guys know, in this pandemic, it is really very important for us to keep our physical and mental health strong. So guys, I highly recommend you to pot a plant in this pandemic, at least one plant, so that it can raise the oxygen level around you and it can keep you mentally fit, and it can give you peace out there at your house. Guys, in this way you can bring nature at your home. So guys, as I have directed in my video, you can just refer to that and you can pot a plant at your home. Pot at least one plant so that you don't need to go out for nature. You get a peaceful mind, and guys, the oxygen level around you is increased. So guys, if you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what are your views about the same, and which is the first plant you are gonna pot in this pandemic. Also guys, for daily updates you can connect with me on my Instagram channel. Link is given in the description box. So guys, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Guys, do like, do share and do subscribe. See you all in my next vlog. Till then, stay home, stay safe, pot a new plant and comment in the comment section. So guys, see you all in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye. I love you all.